Hello dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you parameter sent from keypad to inverter in Veichi AC200 series inverter. Okay, how to parameter send from keypad to inverter I'll show you. To go parameter, press PRG switch. I'll go F405 parameter code. Okay, after press F4, set switch here 0, shift switch. Now we can increase or decrease here. F405. Now here set 0, set 0. To send the parameter from keypad to inverter control card, need to set 2 set switch, press load. Parameter is loading from keypad to inverter. Done. Thank you so much for the watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.